What's up, guys? So for today's video travel vlog, before we hit the road, let's always make sure to check our motorcycle to avoid any trouble along the way. Time check, it's 6 a.m. We're headed to Farm View Riverside in Angat, Bulacan. I'm with my girlfriend and her family. After an hour-long ride, we arrived at Farm View Riverside. There's just a small entrance fee. 20 pesos for the motorcycle and 10 pesos per person. This is the kind of view that will welcome you. It's super relaxing and beautiful. After having fun, chatting, and eating together, we put on some sunblock to protect our skin from the sun. We weren't able to take a lot of videos. Risky to bring our devices of what we did since it was a bit. We just took some photos instead, and here are some of them. Around 2:30 p.m. we decided to head home because the place was getting crowded. And we felt we already made the most of the trip. Overall experience, it was fun. The trip and expenses were worth it. What I learned from this video is that no matter how busy we get, we should always make time for our family. Bonding with them strengthens our relationships even more. That's it for now, fellow adventurers. Ride safe.